Hi everyone and welcome to another bullet journal setup. 2023 is already around the corner, so it's high time we prepare our new journals. In my case, I still got enough space left in my old journal to probably squeeze in another year, so I'm going to try and do that. But unfortunately, I've lost all of my footage, so this video will have to be an extended flip through instead. So this is what I came up with, and hopefully my spreads will give some ideas and inspiration for your own setup. So let's go. I chose to go with a floral theme this year, so every month I'll choose a different flower for my theme. And for the cover page I created a floral curtain design featuring tiny roses and doodled flowers. And then keeping with that design, I created a Dutch door future log. And I wrote down the dates on the side here with the beautiful dividers between each month. Hidden behind the future log is the resolutions and goals page. And on the next page I have a reading list with a little color code, so I'm going to fill in each book that I read with a specific color depending on how I liked it. And I'm going to do the same with the movie and song spread on the right. Moving on to a space to put video ideas, which I kept extremely simple and minimalist with just a little wild rose drawing in the middle. And then on the next page I created a theme idea spread. So if I come across something nice online, I can put that down here and maybe use it further along in the year. As you can see, I went with the same design that I used for the cover page with a little floral curtain. And on the opposite, I created a finance tracker with a larger version of that same design. And lastly, we have a wish list spread, which is going to hold a bucket list as well as other things I may want during the year. And that's it for my yearly setup. All of the other spreads, such as habit trackers, mood trackers, etc., will be included in my monthly setup for January, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you then.